Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.
I know your eyes in the morning sun.
Here's how to create a happy birthday collage. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Go to InShot, Materials, Background, and select the floating hearts background. Tap PIP and import your first photo. Repeat this process for the rest of the photos. Now tap Materials and add the film strip material. Scale the film strip and reposition your photos. Tap the arrow to extend your photos and materials to the end of the clip. Now tap Animation and select the animation of your choice. Repeat this process for the other photos. You can also try a different animation for the film strip material. Stagger your photos so they appear one at a time. Now tap Text, type Happy Birthday, tap the color wheel to change the color of your text. Now tap Animation and select the animation of your choice. And tap the arrow to extend the text to the end of the clip. And you're done! Would you like to see more birthday collage videos? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.